off television. Hi. What a place. What a condition. Ne. What is the difference between here and the village?
Mama, please. Please. I'm tired of being angry with myself. I don't want to be angry with myself, so don't start. Biko.
How many rooms are here?
Just a room.
It's again. Just a room. God be punished that boy.
Amen.
Don't leave him alone and roast him to death.
Amen.
He will die a shameful man. One room.
Mama, you know what? Just calm down. I want you to go in, take off your clothes and take your bath. It's okay, let me take your bag inside.
Come back. One room. Only.
Mama, please. Let's go inside.
If money then I sugar. If you know then I make you wahala. Carry the girl, I don't tire. I'm not there for as you go lover. As you go lover. I'm not there for as you go lover.
So how long have you gone with the divorce process?
Olive said it will be ready by the end of the month.
Is she the only lawyer in this city? Eh? Why not look for someone else that will make things easier for you? Olive is your family friend. And she wouldn't want your husband to get angry with her while doing it.
You have a point, Mama. I should look for another lawyer.
Good. Good. Does he still have a gun?
No. Why do you ask?
Honey, sweetheart.
Oh my God. Andy, what have you done? I'm asking you, what have you done? Did you keep any money in this house when you were leaving for food? Did you keep any money? Why are you eating my food? I'm asking you.
I thought...
Hey! Come back. Did you eat my food?
This is the tray they're using, putting food for me. I didn't know it wasn't my food.
Oh, it's a tray pan.
Hey!
Oh my God.
See the camera. Open Jabba.
It's just...
Beer.
Hey!
You ate my food.
I just ate 1 spoon.
1 spoon.
Fungaji.
Fungaji. Madman! Are you crazy? Imagine the rubbish. You are poor. You are poor. Now.
You washed your mother, poured me water, and you said nothing.
I say you wet your mother, pour me water, and you say nothing.
Is it your food? Why would you take what does not belong to you? Did you keep any food here when you were leaving the house? I'm asking you!
No.
God, are you seeing this?
Shut up! Do not blaspheme God here. You are the one who have decided to ruin my life. And you're here calling God.
That was a good trap.
That was a very simple way of telling a man that he's not responsible.
So the way he was crying like a baby, we should have had mercy.
So they poured me water in my own house because of food. Because of food.
If money then I sugar. If you know then I make you wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know there for pay as you go lover. Pay as you go lover. I know there for pay as you go lover.
Have you seen this one? I know you like it.
This is beautiful. What is it? Gine, you don't expect my mother to sleep on the floor, do you?
Can I have one pillow so I can just lie down anywhere?
Are you blind? Eh? Listen. And
which one did you say? It's either you pick this one. Mama choose.
I prefer this one because
Mama, this is chalky pink. It's for young girls.
If I'm on a saucy monster, I like it.
Mama, take the black one.
Yes.
So you can just choose.
Brother, please. Can you help me buy medicine? I'm cold. I'm having fever. Please. Please.
Mama! Mama! No!
Your breakfast is ready.
Oh, yeah, go.
It's ready.
What is it?
Shift.
Please, Brenda, I'm dying. Please, I need to take medicine. Just help me, please. I'm dying. I'm dying, please.
What's not again? Mama. I'm not con nonsense.
I can't feel myself. I'm in serious pain. Please, I need medicine.
Andy, please. Just allow my mother eat this food in peace.
Biko, what is it now?
It's delicious.
Thank you, Mama. Enjoy your food, people.
Oh.
Do you have tuberculosis? What is this? What kind of cough is this? Shit that way.
Please.
Shift now. I hope you like the food, Mama.
Oh, delicious.
Enjoy it, son.
What do you have?
Andy! My goodness, Jesus! Isn't this bad?
Thank God you're here.
I got 2 medications. Oh my God! Mama? Mama? You are home and your in-law is almost dying here. So you were the savior he called on phone? Mama, it's not right now. This isn't right. So what should I have done? Let me get you water.
I want to say thank you. Thank you for this. I really appreciate it.
It is okay. It's okay, my dear.
Alright, so I have to go in. I'll give you a call later.
I'll be expecting your call. Bye.
Alright, bye.
Sitting up, you have to try and sit up now. Try and sit up now. Try. You have to try. Okay. Try sitting up. Just try. My goodness, I didn't know it was this bad.
It's the way you wanna dance. Hey, la la la. Hey, Mamacita, senorita.
I cannot believe you went out leaving your husband in this state.
No, Mama.
You are so excited. What is the good news?
Mama, it has happened. Oh, set, go.
Really? Because break the good news.
Wow. Andy, this is for you. Yeah.
I thought we agreed.
Yes, we did. But I couldn't wait for you any longer. So, here we go.
No. I need to talk to you outside.
No. Mama.
Yes, baby.
We need to go and celebrate.
Yes. Thank you.
Days pass.
Brenda.
Mama.
Take it easy.
Oh, la la la.
Answer my question. Why you? Now I need you pass.
anyone had told me that this would happen, I would doubt it. Listen, you have a good husband. He's caring, he's loving.
Olive, please. I'm done. Why is it so difficult for you to understand? My mates are married to men who take them round the world. Men with private jets and yachts. And you're talking about who? Andy? Oh, please.
You apparently do not know what you're doing to yourself.
Well, let me take consequences for my actions.
Exactly. Now listen. Lawyer or clerk, keep your advice to yourself. Your mates are out there getting married, and you're here trying to save an already failed marriage. Mama, all I'm trying to say is...
Goodbye.
Just in case you know...
Bye, I said.
Yes.
You sent for me.
Oh yes, my daughter. Please have your seat.
I'll rather stand.
Please. I'll urge you to sit down. Please. My son told me what happened. And that is why I've decided to call you and talk to you like a father.
Papa, please. Please. I am sick and tired of hearing the same story. So if you have nothing else to say to me, can I go back to my room and continue to rest?
I am still talking, young woman. Look, if you don't respect anything else, at least you should respect my grey beards. The dog says that it walks and drags his feet, just to let people know that it does not live a crooked life. My son loves you so dearly, and that was why he married you. Love.
Did I hear you say love?
Of course, love.
Oh, please just shut up. Do you put a bag of salt on the head of someone you claim you love and call the rain to beat her? Do you see this animal? This thing sitting beside you? He is a chameleon. He deceived me into marrying him. But thank my goodness that we did not get married in the church, for my good God is still alive. Excuse me. So he sent you to... Eh?
Can you just calm down? Andy needs you this time. And he's going through a lot mentally. And also he doesn't deserve this divorce.
What are you saying, Bruno? I'm asking you, what are you saying? Oh, am I the one who deserves to suffer? Hell no. I will not suffer. You know what? I am sick and tired of this advice you all are giving to me like I am the devil herself. What is this?
Brenda, what has come over you? Let me tell you, divorce is a terrible thing and you wouldn't love to go into it.
Well, Mr. Bruno, I am the one who wants it. Does it look like I bloody care if he deserves it or not? I want my peace. I want to be free, free as a bird. So please, you all should just leave me alone and let me have my peace. Please. And thanks. Many thanks.
Bam, 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 bam. No. My forefathers forbid it. To fiakwa. I am against it. Do you know they did not even mention it to me?
My in-law, I know you are a good man. And that is why I decided to come and see you.
I will invite her here and talk senses into her head.
Please do. Talk to her. You see, our people have a saying that a good face, a beautiful face, does not need to be pinched.
That is true. That is true. I will certainly talk to her.
Thank you very much. You see, I have to leave now. But I will come back to see you again.
Baby, why you did like this? You won't spoil our love. You say you won't go. I swear I no understand. He did do me like a feel. Make me the love they go. Now beg I they beg. Baby, why now? Why you won't leave me now? Why you? Answer my question.
Where are you going to?
I'm going here and there.
Come. Let's go. Come. Hi.
I swear I no understand. He did do me like a feel. Make me the love they go. Now beg I they beg. Baby, why now? Why you won't leave me now? Why you? Answer my question. Now I need you pass. Why
Uh-huh. Brenda, can you hear me?
Papa, I can hear you. Speak out.
See, tell your mother that there was serious rainstorm.
What?
Yes, rainstorm, and it has removed the roof of the house.
When did this happen?
The whole place is soaked. As a matter of fact, part of the roof gone down.
How?
Yes. Okay, come with your mother to the village, please.
God. All right.
Ogini. What is it?
Papa just called. He said rain poured one side of the house and water soaked everything in your bedroom.
Chimo! Chim. My wrappers! My dodges! My jewelries! Hi! Atom, where is my bag? Mama.
Calm down. Just take it easy. Don't worry. First thing tomorrow morning, we will go to the village.
Mano, tomorrow is too far. You can't have him. You can't have him.
Mama, it is late. We can't go to the village today. It's late. I promise you, first thing tomorrow morning, we will leave for the village.
Hi!
Mama, it's okay.
Abamota.
Mama, it is rain. They did not say fire. Rain. But don't worry, we'll go to the village tomorrow morning.
My latest Volandis. My judge is so...
It's okay.
Brenda, one.
It's okay.
Biko,
it's okay, it's fine.
Idiot. Let me see how you will not come to the village tomorrow. The two of you will not put me to shame. Stupid people.
Baby, why you did do like it is? You won't spoil our love. You say you won't go. I swear I no understand. You dey do me like a film. Make we dey love dey go. Na beg I dey beg. Baby, why now? Why you wanna leave me now? Answer my question. Now I need you pass.
Andrew, you didn't eat your food.
I'm not hungry.
Hey. Look, my son. Life is not the way you see it.
Papa, where is the fallen roof?
I've repaired it.
Cherry, Papa, don't tell me you called on the phone because you wanted Mama and I to come back to the village. Papa? Mama, are your wrappers wet?
No, they are intact.
Papa, you haven't said anything. I'm still waiting for you.
That is because I'm still trying to recover from the shock.
Recover from what shock? Eh? What shock are you recovering from?
The shock of seeing my daughter go astray when she's supposed to be a grown-up woman. Brenda, from where did you get this heart? When did you become so callous?
Papa, please. Just go straight to the point. Whatever it is you have to say, say it.
It is appalling. Absolutely appalling.
What is up? Oh! 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 Really? Now I see where this trick is coming from. Is this it?
Yeah.
Please, Shida. Shida. So this is the reason you asked me, you deceived me to come from the city. This, Papa?
This is not why I called you.
Papa, listen. If you called me here because of this frog sitting down here, to ask me not to divorce him, you lie. Because I will not even listen to you. Not one word.
Thank you very much, Brenda. That is not why I called you. But I want you to tell me, in the presence of his father, what exactly did this young man do to you?
Father, I don't even have time to talk. I don't have time to talk nonsense. Talk about who?
Brenda, you must tell us what happened.
Fine. Very well then. If you want me to talk, I will talk. This cow sitting down here is a liar. A fat liar. He lied to me, Papa. He deceived me, told me he was a rich man and cajoled me into marrying him when he had nothing. This rat.
You have not said anything meaningful. Tell me exactly what he has lied about.
Everything, Papa. Everything. Everything. He lied about everything.
Brenda, I do not see any reason why you want to divorce this young man other than greed. Did you not hear that the ship conveying his goods was hijacked?
Hijacking. Oh, Jackie Abia. Onye, hijack what? Why was his ship, the ship carrying his own goods hijacked? Only his own ship.
Nice question. Very nice question. I'm going to answer her.
And why have we not heard about other ships hijacked? Only your own. Oh. Tell us.
It is saddening, Brenda. It is saddening that at this your age, your mother still has to dictate to you. But let it be heard and seen by the spirits guiding the whole of these premises that I am not in any way in support of whatever action you are taking.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Milo, please, we would like to take our leave.
Milo.
No problem. We appreciate all you're doing. Huh?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm sorry for the stress.
No. Don't bother. It's all fine. All fine. Yeah? Nothing to it. No problem. So we appreciate that too, right?
Thank you very much. Go well. Andy. Go well.
I no understand, he dey do me like a feel, make we dey love, dey go, na beg I dey beg, baby why now? Why you want leave me now? Why
You cannot sow yam and reap corn.
baby why now? Why you want leave me now? Answer my question. Why now I need you pass. Why
What is it?
I need to clear this. Go home, Papa.
If money then na sugar. If you know then na big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for pay as you go lover. Pay as you go lover. I know they for pay as you go lover.
Wait, so you brought us back here because of that useless man?
Imagine.
Eh? Hey.
Are you done backing? Continue backing. I know you are a dog. Wow. Continue backing. But only thing I'm telling you is that stop misleading this girl. Stop misleading Brenda. Because if you don't, you will suffer the consequence.
Papa, leave her.
Brenda, can I have a word?
Aliense. Aliense. You want to have a word? You ask what? You want it? You can say whatever I teach you, what you say here.
Okay. Brenda, can you kindly tell me the wrong I've done to you that made you turn your back against me? Have you forgotten the promises we made to each other?
Can I say something?
Okay, go ahead.
I thought you brought me here so we could have a good time.
Oh, yeah, of course. I'm just trying to reply.
No more replying of messages. It's our time. My time.
That's true.
Can I say something?
Go ahead.
Thank you for your love and your care. Thank you for everything you have done for me. I mean, I have never felt this loved my entire life. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad you're happy.
Yes, I am happy. And I promise to make you happy the whole of your life. I promise to stand by you in good and in bad times. And I promise to be your mother you have always missed.
Oh, it's made my day.
Of course, I always make your day.
Oh, this made my day.
Oh, but of course I always make your day. Come here. There's nothing on your lips.
I guess I have it.
There's nothing.
Thank you so much, honey.
Thank you.
And now what? We are not even married up to 1 month and you're already talking about divorce. Brenda, what is wrong with you?
Are you done singing? I'm asking you. No. Are you done singing? If you're done talking trash, you can take your dirty little self out of my father's compound.
Come on,
No,
okay.
get out.
What's the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Meaning of what? Do you know he can sue you for assault? You are not serious. Eh? He is lucky. He is lucky today. I would have poured him over.
You would have poured the water on him, Mama.
Nonsense.
Idiot. You came here to read poem, Shakespeare.
I'm sorry for the two of you.
Mama, we are sorry for you.
You both have today. You don't know what tomorrow will bring. What will tomorrow bring? Get out from here! And for you, you can continue backing the way you back every time. Wow. You are a dog. I am a dog. Continue backing. And you are a hawk. You are a dog. Oh. I will slap you now. I will slap you. Slap me! Dog. Slap me! Come out to get you blood. Listen, you both have today, but you don't have tomorrow. This is just the beginning. Nonsense. You are lucky. What a mother, what a daughter.
Just give me a few minutes, I'll be back. I won't waste your time.
All right.
Okay. Okoro Bobo, now you are free to bring in another woman into this house. I mean the one you can easily lie to. Not me. Good luck.
You say you won't go. I swear I no understand. You dey do me like a feel. Make me dey love dey go. Na beg I dey beg. Baby, why now? Why you won't leave me now? Why you? Answer my question. Now I need you pass. Why you? Baby, why you? Don't make me to cry. Why you? Don't leave me now. Why you? Make we stay for house. Why you?
I'm better.
I drop by to see you, so I said to get your food.
Thank you very much.
Don't just thank me. Make sure you eat something.
Sure, I will. I'll try. Thank you.
It's okay.
Have you eaten yourself?
Yes, I have.
Wow.
I thought you had rice the last time you started something.
So how's your day going?
Great, nice. Will be better if you eat.
Sure, I will.
Now don't look at me. I didn't make it. I bought it.
It's nice.
Great. You want the chirita open?
Yeah. I'll want it later. Thank you very much.
It's nothing, really. You should eat.
Hey, Diego, my son, you are welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
No,
Thank you, Mama.
no, Mama, let's go and prepare something for you to eat.
No, Mama, no, don't worry. I'm okay. I've eaten a lot today. I'm okay.
Honey, are you sure?
My love, I'm okay. I've eaten.
My mother is a very good cook. Just tell her anything you want to
My
eat. And she-
Hey,
Welcome, sir.
Papa, welcome.
None.
we have a very important visitor.
Yes, Papa. This is the man that wants to marry me.
Welcome, my son.
Thanks, sir.
His name is Kajetan. CJ for short. He's the managing director of Jew and Doe Companies.
Whoa!
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Welcome, Una.
Thank you, Mama. Thanks for having me.
I want to have a word with you.
Hope all is well.
No, calm down. Everything is fine. If my mother is there, we are great.
Blah. What sort of madness is this?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Don't you have conscience? You want to give out your daughter's hand in marriage barely a few weeks after she divorced.
And what is wrong with that?
Everything is wrong with it. Everything is totally wrong with it. That means she has told you about this young man all the while she was with Andy.
Rubbish.
Believe you,
So
my
you're
love.
sure you're going to be comfortable with me?
Of course. I can't lose you for any other man.
Because of what you say.
Yes, now.
Mama.
Brenda, come with me.
Nai, won't you offer our visitor cola first?
Brenda, come with me now.
My love.
I'll be with you. Just a few minutes, okay?
All right, darling.
She will be right back. No problem. All is well. You are the CEO.
Yes, Dew and Dawn Company. Yes, Mama.
You are a big man.
Thank God. I never knew you told you everything about me. I never knew.
I'm fine. I like you.
What is it, Papa?
Brenda, you have met this young man ever before you started talking about divorcing Andy.
But what are you doing? No, what exactly are you doing? Are you trying to spoil my day? Eh? What is it now? Papa, Biko, please. I am old enough to know what I want. Okay for that man. Man, in fact, I'm married to him already. Please.
Is that what you say? Beautiful. Count me out of this madness.
Papa,
Yes.
you were never counted in. So you are out. let you out. Who put you in?
Thank you, Mama.
I like it. No.
Papa, welcome.
Thank you. Young man, if I offer you kola nut now, it means I've accepted you into my family.
Yes, Papa. Thank you, sir.
Did she tell you she was once married a few weeks ago?
Yes, Papa, she did. And I knew she's divorced. Yes.
Good. If you come back here complaining about her, I will never listen to you because I have removed my hands, my legs. As a matter of fact, everything about her, I have removed myself.
Papa. Like, what is wrong with you?
It's okay.
Honey, don't worry. Everything is fine.
Honey.
What is wrong with you?
Mama, it's okay, Mama. Honey.
No, don't worry.
Mama,
Everything
it's
is
okay.
fine.
I know what I want. I love it all my heart. And Mama, our wedding is next week.
Really?
I can't wait. I just can't wait.
Love wanted to. God, don't bullshit.
I love the way you smile to Mommy.
Yeah.
You are welcome, my love.
Thank you very much.
Let me go and bring cola for you.
Oh, let's go now. Wait for another day.
Yes. But I have very sweet palm wine in my house. Let me go and bring it for you.
My Lord, thank you very much. You know I don't drink palm wine.
I forgot. You're welcome.
My in-law.
Yes.
I have come to you with something very disturbing in my heart. Yes. I am sure your son must have told you about the court ruling.
Oh yes, he did.
Good. And the customary court sent a letter to us informing us that we should refund the bride price your son paid on my daughter to you.
Milo, you are a good man. You have played your part as a good father, and I appreciate you for that.
Thank you very much. Milo, let me be on my way.
Go well, no?
Thank you very much.
Greet your family, no?
I will.
Wow. Andy the Duke. Andy the Duke.
Andy, when did you come back?
I came back a few days ago. I went to your house. I noticed that your house is sealed. Why are you like this? What's going on?
Brother, that's life for you now. It's a long story. It's not what I'm starting.
Yeah, let's go somewhere quiet and talk, okay? So you explain everything to me. Okay? Just get into the car.
My man, Andy the Duke. I can't tell you what I'm saying, man.
So my brother, that's where I am today. I'm just starting afresh. You know, right now I'm just looking for things to do to at least get money to put food on my table.
Andy, I can never watch you suffer. You don't know my family, yeah, but you single-handedly sponsored my trip to Singapore.
But I used to remembering that one. I just did what I did for God, not for anything. We rise by lifting others.
I have something for you. Hold on.
I believe that.
Andy, here is the check of 5 million naira. I will want you to look for a lucrative business at the start for now. And after 3 months, I will send you to Canada, okay?
$5 million for more.
Yes, for you, man. Yeah. You are a nice man. You even deserve more than this. You made me who I am. Yeah.
Hey!
Hey! You deserve more than this.
Hey!
Yeah, you made me who I am, okay? You deserve more than this. Okay, no, just calm down. After 3 months, I will send you out, okay? You're a nice man, okay? Just chill. You're a nice man. You deserve more than this. You're more than a brother to me.
How do you feel? I mean, you barely got divorced and you're talking about another man. People will conclude that you've been seeing this man all along.
Does it look like I care? Darling, I don't care what people say or think. What matters right now is that I am happy. Well, Olive, darling, I'm here to take you out for lunch. Let's call it, liberation lunch.
Oh my God. You're so relatable. I'm not going to be a part of your liberation lunch. Besides, I have lots of work to do here. No.
Olive?
No.
Olive.
No.
Olive.
I told you no. That's it. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Sorry. Stupid.
Olive. God is great.
What's going on?
God works in a miraculous way.
What? What's going on?
Olive, you cannot believe it. I met an old friend. Guess what? He transferred 5 million naira to me to pick up my life.
No.
He did.
5 million.
5 million naira. Just get ready.
Wait. I have some files to sign. But let me sign stuff to my boss and then we can go.
Just be fast.
1 minute.
Just like that. 5 million naira. And he promised to do more for me.
He borrowed you or he...
No, he gave me.
So what do you intend to do with the money?
Well, I don't even know for now, to be sincere.
I'll tell you what I think. I think we should go into the importation of clothing materials.
That's a good idea, just that I'm scared of going into importation now, you know.
You should not be scared. Everyone makes mistakes. Oh, and restaurant business is also very good.
Yeah. I'll think about that.
Happiness suits you. I haven't seen you this happy in a while.
Olive, I don't know how to thank you. You're such a nice person. Thank you for being there for me.
It's nothing really. You're too good to be ignored. Oh, come on now. So what do you intend to do with the money?
Well, just like you said, restaurant business, I think.
You like the restaurant idea, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone eats, you know.
Every day.
Every day.
Hello, Andy. Hello? Yeah, I can hear you. Are you alright? Oh my God, what happened? No. I'm on my way. What? No. I'm on my way there right now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
I can't believe you remembered.
Of course, I remember. Many more years today. Many more years to you. Many more years, many more years, many more years to you. Happy birthday, darling.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe you remember.
Oh yes, I always remember. So you cut your cake.
I honestly will never forget this.
It's alright. Thank you.
Okay.
Yummy. And you cut.
Okay.
O. L.
I.
V.
D.
And
E.
Oh yeah.
I see that.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Long life and prosperity.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Aw, thank you.
You're welcome. You don't need to thank me. Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry about that. So, you know, you are. Olive, can I tell you something?
I know what you'd say. You're a very good girl. You're a special woman. Thank you so much for everything you do for me. I do appreciate it. Right? It's chocolate. Nice.
Marry me. Please.
What did you say?
Please, Olive. You are enough.
What are you saying? What do you take me for? What? That's it. That's it.
Olivia, no. Wait. You mean you gave your mother 150,000?
Uh-huh.
You gave your mother 150,000 for transport.
Each
Is she going to heaven?
What do you mean is she going to heaven? Each time we start talking about money, you start being rude and you start raising your voice at me. Eh?
Wait.
No, wait, let me finish. You asked me to give her money. I simply carried out your order. I gave her the money in the wardrobe. Why are you shouting?
Brenda, are you joking? You gave your mother 150,000. So, are you for real? Huh? So you can't give her 20,000 or 30,000 for transport. You gave her 150,000.
No, you had 20,000 more 30,000. What will she use 20,000 naira for? Let me understand something. What is it with you and this defensive mechanism when it comes to money? You are becoming a stingy man by the day. Gradually. It started small. Oh. Now it's becoming very big. I didn't come to this house to come and suffer.